What's up, my YouTube friends? I got a couple models in today. First one's going to be the AIRBUS a220-300. I believe the a220-100 came out first, if I'm not mistaken, around 2015. Box looks nice. Brand new model. What is that? It's 2020 stamp. I believe Swiss Air was the first one to fly the 220-100. Swiss Air was, and then the first one to fly the AIRBUS 220-300 was Delta, I believe. No, Air Baltic. Air Baltic was the first one to fly the 220-300. Air Baltic did a big, huge YouTube video that's really informative about this. Really informative. If you're interested in the history of it, Air Baltic, the pilots flew this plane from Canada to Riga. I believe it's Estonia or some Slavic country I can't think of the name of right now. Somewhere near Estonia, not Estonia. I think it's Latvia. Riga, Latvia. They flew the plane from somewhere near Montreal, Canada, to Latvia, to Riga. And Air Baltic's main hub is in Riga, Latvia, I believe. Anyway, yeah, Air Baltic was the first one. They have their whole fleet is this plane, Airbus a220-300. But JetBlue's got rid of their Embraer 190s, and they move into this. They're replacing them with these. The JetBlue has a lot of them. Porter has some, I believe. Not as many, not so many, but Delta's the largest carrier. They have like 73 or 93 of these planes. Really nice looking. Look at the nose. Weird looking nose. It's got that Canada regional jet CRJ look. Small, low to the ground profile. That's a SkyTeam logo. Cargo door. Nice looking plane. Engines look great. The antenna. 1 antenna, 2 antenna, 3 antenna, plus the Wi-Fi dome. Nice. November 302 Delta uniform. There you see the tail and the horizontal stabilizers. The APU exhaust looks great. Here, look at the detail of that. Really nice. I forgot how they say it, but it's cast. The APU exhaust is cast. So small it's hard to show without being shaky to the camera. Beautiful looking plane. It's gonna be great for my collection of Delta. I have a Delta 7.5. I have a Delta 757. I'm gonna show you the comparison in a minute. It's much bigger, obviously. This plane is actually longer than the 737 MAX 8. I don't have a MAX 8 right now out of the box, but it's like 127 or 117 feet. It's not short. There you can see the winglets. Landing gear. Pitot tubes. OCAS. Got an under fuselage antennas. Really perfect looking plane. All right, I found a 737 MAX 8. It's Cayman Airways, and I've tried to line up equally. The length is almost exactly the same, and the wing's a little bit more forward than on the A220. But we're talking about an Airbus versus a Boeing, so it's gonna be a little bit different. See them side by side here. That's a nice looking picture. All right, let me grab the 757. As you can see, the 7.5 is much bigger. That's to be expected. But the 7.5 is a really nice plane. This is the 757-200. The 757-300 stretch variant's on the way. Landing gear is much different. The 7.5 has 8 landing gear, 8 wheels on each side of the main landing gear, and this one only has, what, 2? Yeah, 2 wheels on each side. Let me grab the Delta 777-200. I don't have the -300, but the 200's a nice plane too. Let me see what it looks like on side by side. Okay, here we have the A220, and its big brother, the Boeing 777, big cousin I should say. They have different parents. Spirit of Atlanta. Alright, remember to smash the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and all that good stuff. Oh, there's the item number. G2 Delta Alpha Lima 895. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.